Welcome explorers, I am Astro Destroyer and today we're going to learn about a game called 2048. So let's start. First we're going to see a little bit of background behind the game, then we're going to go into the details. So the 2048 game is basically a single player sliding block game in which one has to get a tile having the number 2048 simply by sliding adjacent tiles having the same numbers one after the other. The 2048 game was basically developed by the Italian web developer Gabriele Cirulli. He developed this game in the period of a single weekend so as to test whether he could develop a game from scratch. He became very surprised when his developed game was played by over 4 million people in the mere period of a single weekend. Actually, the popularity of this game can be attributed to its simplicity as well as the engaging nature which the game provided to all its players. Now let us go to see some of the observations as well as mathematics behind this wonderful game. So the first observation which one can come across while playing this game is that all the tiles which pop up in this game actually have powers of 2. Also, the maximum possible number or the maximum permissible limit, which is actually provided by mathematical procedures and algorithms, is 131,072, which is actually the maximum number which can appear on any tile if one can play the game up to the very last. And while playing this game, you will come across the numbers in the powers of 2. First, you will get 2 raised to 1, then you will get 2 raised to 2, then 2 raised to 3, and so on and so forth. And finally, you will get 2 raised to 17, which is basically the same as the above number, which is 131,072. So this can be explained on the basis of the fact that this game is actually played on a 4x4 grid. So the total number of tiles which we have is 16, and since 2 is already appeared on the tile when we start the game, so if you go by that logic, then actually we will have one extra power raised to 2, which is 2 raised to 17, which will finally give us 131,072. As you would have already guessed, this is the geometric series with the common ratio as 2. Also, the game continues until we have extra grid space left, or if not, same numbers are adjacent. So basically, you will not be losing the game until and unless you have one extra grid space, or if not, similar numbers are adjacent to each other. Also, one well-known strategy which is advised by many expert game players to win this game, or actually it is the winning strategy which is advised by many players, is that you have to focus on the heavy ones or the heavy squares or the heavy tiles having the large numbers on them, and you have to restrict them to any one bottom corner, either to the left side or to the right side. Now let me play this game at first and you can enjoy this game. So finally, at last, I'd like to tell you the hidden message which I actually mentioned in the video title. So before telling that, I'd like to thank all of you for making this far in watching the video until the end. So the hidden message is that my channel Astro Destroyer 146 is not purely a tech channel, nor is it purely a scientific channel. It is basically all about exploration. I strongly believe that in this material universe of ours, knowledge surpasses everything. It is also a transcendental thing and has a higher reach than everything else in the universe which we can actually perceive. So with that view in mind, I actually created this channel, and further I created this playlist of dynamic science inside which I am going to place this video, and in the near future I believe that I am also going to create many other exciting and awesome playlists filled with exciting content. So this video is actually a symbolism for exploration, in which I actually tried to convey that exploration can be made fun if you can go into the detail of things and try to do an absolute and quite specific analysis. So with that view in mind, let us proceed in our exploration journey, and I will meet you all in some other video with some exciting topic in mind. And until then, keep exploring.